Hey, this is Mr. Jarvis with Homework Help for October 24th, and we're looking at cafeteria problems. Fortunately, they're all picking up the trash, so these are different kinds of problems. So anyway, we have right here the cafeteria at King Elementary asks students to vote on their favorite main dishes. The circle graphs below show the results. Of the questions below. So the first question, what fraction of, here's the fourth grade, here's the fifth grade, what fraction of fourth graders did not vote for super salad? So where's the super salad? This is the super salad, and 1/8 voted. So we could take a look at here. 1/8 voted for super salad, but what did not? So 1/8. So we divide this all into 8/8 minus 1/8 would be 7/8. But another way to look at it is this 1/2 is equivalent to 4/8. That's the same as a half. 2/8 is the same as 1/4, and 1/8 is the same as 1/8. So we have 4, 6, 7/8. 7. So either way you look at it, 7/8 did not vote for super salad. For a salad. It's hard to write on this, but I'm doing it anyway. All right, so that's A is 1/7/8 did not vote for super salad. Let's take a look at another one. What fraction of the fifth graders voted for turkey burgers or chicken McNuggets? So we're looking at the fifth grade. So 1/3, 1/3. So two-thirds. That's simple enough. 2/3. 1/3 plus 1/3. Can't get easier than that. That was an easy one. Wonder why I picked that one. So let me write it at least clearly. 2/3. So, and on a clock, how many minutes would this? This would be 20 minutes out of 60, 40 minutes out of 60. Just a little review of our clock analogy. Number 3, 192 fourth graders voted. How many of them voted for turkey burgers? So we're looking at the fourth grade. Here's the turkey burger. So 1/4 of the fourth graders. So of is times, saying how many times, and we're going to write this as a fraction. 192 ones. 1/4 times 192 ones, and we get 192 top by the top, bottom by the bottom. Multiplying fractions ain't no big problem. Multiply the top by the top and the bottom by the bottom. 192 fourths. Well, how many is it? How many groups of 4 on 192? Let's work it out. I'll change the colors to we don't get too confused. So 192 divided by 4. So how many groups of 4? So 19. What times 4 is going to be something close to 19? That's going to be 4. That's going to give me 16, and I'm not going to go over. And I'll have 3 left over and bring down the 2. So I have 3 10. So 32 divided by 4, and 8 times 4, since I know my times tables, 48. And that's 32. I don't have anything left over. So 48, and I probably shouldn't. These are people, right? So 48 fourth graders voted for the turkey burgers. All right. I think we have one more we're going to do. Yeah, I just have that, though. Let's see here. And, we lucked out because I didn't copy both sides of the page. So this was pretty easy. But what we're also working on is what's half of 60. A lot of ways of looking at this. Like we've been looking at doing a lot of fractions with the clock. We know 60 is 1 hour, 60 minutes. So half an hour is 30. So, or I could say 1/2 of 60 ones. And all I'm really doing is dividing 60 by 2 because I'm going straight across here. 2 times 1 is 2, and I'm going to get 60 divided by 2 is 30. Okay, so just lots of different ways of looking at it. 1/3 of 60. We know from a clock that's 20 minutes. 20 times 3 is 60. But once again, you can think of it as 1/3 times 60 ones. And if it's 1/3, 60 ones, I'm really just going to be dividing 60 into groups of 3 and get 20. I think we know half of 100 is 50, but the same procedure works. 1/5 of 100 is 20. Well, let's check it out. Okay, so let's see here. 1/5 times 100 ones. So I'm just going to end up dividing this and getting my 20. 5 times, divide a $10 bill among 5 people. 2 times 5, 10. I'd have 2 and 0, 20. Or 20 cents. So hopefully that's helpful. We didn't have to do this part because it didn't print out on the paper. So congrats to that and have a great evening. Hopefully this helped.